you guys. So I am out here today fishing for my birthday. I'm super excited just because it's birthday fishing, so I feel like it's a little more special. But it's definitely chilly, if you can't tell by my gear. But I was doing some reading about fall fishing, and we're kind of, the fish are preparing for winter. And I read that the shad are getting closer to the creek beds and the bass are trying to fatten up for winter. So hopefully that means they're hungry. But I did stop at Cabela's and get a couple new baits to try. The first one is a boss shad. And I'm gonna be girly and say I picked this color because it's light pink with a little purple hue. Show you these. And I thought, well, it's my birthday, so I'll get my color. But pretty color. So I think I'm gonna try these for sure today. I have my coffee. It's Yellowstone brand. I'm a huge Yellowstone fan. And if you're a coffee drinker, I highly recommend the Yellowstone. I just get it at my local grocery store. You don't have to get it online. I highly recommend the light roast. It's caramel oatmeal and it's phenomenal. Also, if you didn't know, a little lesson on coffee that a doctor taught me. The lighter the roast, the more the caffeine. So if you have any cardiac history or issues, don't do the light roast, do the dark roast. The darker the roast, the more flavor, but it has a lot less caffeine. So lighter the roast, the more the caffeine. And yeah, of course I'm a mom of 2, so I need the blonde coffee. I need the light coffee with a lot of caffeine. Super excited. I hope that I catch either a really big crappie or a really big bass for my birthday, please. But if not, it's okay. I'm just blessed and happy to be here and be out here and have you all for support. So let's go jigging. All right, so I have this rigged up. Oh gosh. Well, FYI, there's a hook cover. Gotta take off. Man, that would have been something, huh? Why am I not catching any fish? Well, because just there's a cover over the hook. This is weird. When I tried taking it off, it broke in half. Son of a biscuit. My nose is going to be running. Sorry, this whole time. It's a little winter. Hello, tree. I'm not going to get snug in you today. That looks good. That looks actually really... I've never used these. That looks real, actually. It's tail. It's the tail. That little thing. And I wish I could, like... It looks really good. I'm excited. All right. My other pole. Let's see. Oh, I kind of wanted to be over there. Oh, I'll just see first cast. So if shad are fish on, yes, happy birthday to me. Please don't. Oh my gosh, it's big, it's big, it's big, it's really big. Oh my gosh, holy shit. Oh my God. Oh, holy, oh my gosh. Is this a joke? Is this real? Is this real? Is this real? Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna cry. Okay. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Okay, worry. All right. Don't forget about your rod. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys. No. Breathe. You are beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh. I gotta get back in the water. Wow. I can't believe that just happened. Like, that was amazing. That was amazing. First cast. You have to get you some of these. Boss Shad. I know I got it at Cabela's. You know, Bass Pro and Cabela's are together. First cast on my birthday. Thank goodness I was girly and picked this color. I mean, I'm good. Anything extra today, I'm still gonna keep going, but oh my gosh, so many things could have went wrong and they didn't. My line could have snapped. I could have dropped my rod in the water because I've done that before. I didn't even have a net. I am so thankful. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful. I'm not gonna cry. I might cry a little, but I'm not gonna. I'm just so thankful. Wow. 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 Okay. I'll probably cry about it when I leave. That was amazing. Amazing. Okay. Cast number 2. Best birthday present ever. See, you don't need all that expensive stuff to catch big fish. You know, I have a kayak I've had for a couple years. I don't have all the fancy schmancy stuff. Everything went right. Everything went right. Fish on. Ooh, it's a fighter. Probably a bit small. Ugh. Yay! It works! Open your bail. Woohoo! Such a good day. We're in a tree and I think I can get it. It's not mine, but it's also not doing anything for anyone, right? Let's see if I can. Watch my camera. Oh, look at that. Another birthday present. Gosh. Someone's really looking out for me today. Thank you. Watch my camera. And my other pole. Oh my gosh, this stuff is dry. Where's my... No, I want to swing out. I want to swing out. Okay. Son of a gun. Honky donk and smoking. Meow. Fish on. Oh no. Yay! Yay, yay! You beautiful thing. Have a good day. 'Cause I am. I don't know. Is that a fish? Yes, it is. Yes. Yes! I couldn't tell at first because why aren't you swimming? What's wrong? He like let me drag him. That's weird. You okay? You alright? Hey. You okay? That was weird. You didn't even like fight really. I thought you were structure and then you didn't really flip your fins much. Here. You alright? Oh gosh, you're fine. Yeah, it's fine. That was just a weird hit. Woo! Shad. Beautiful. Fish on. Crappie! Crappie do eat shad. And I think they do. Woohoo! It's crappie time. Yay! To be honest, I am still struggling to find the words to explain how I felt fishing today. I think my reaction explains it better than I can. My struggle to believe that the moment was actually real came from the combination of not only landing a bass that big in my kayak, but also the fact that it was on my first cast while fishing with a bait I've never tried for my birthday. I will forever cherish this moment and all the feelings that came with it. Thank you all so much for your support with my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Stay tuned for a typical Jess moment, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys. To pee. So bad. Pull it together, bladder. Fishing. Hearing the sound of this water isn't helping me. So bad. One cast over that tree, and that's about all I got. Ooh. It's getting worse. Oh gosh, why do I have to pee right now? I want to pee.